Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Burt. Today we'll be doing something different. Today we're going to make a culinary history. Today I'm going to make kimchili, combining kimchi with great tasting chili, and we'll find out how it turns out. Not since the advent of chocolate meeting the peanut butter, ending up in as a Reese's candies, there has been anything like this. Yes, I over-exaggerate a little bit, but I think combining chili and kimchi will produce a very interesting flavors. I don't believe this has been done before. I did a quick Google search and online, and I didn't see it. Maybe I'm not good at finding stuff. But in any case, you know what? We'll do this for fun. Kimchili. Kimchi plus chili. Doesn't that sound interesting? All right, let's go. Here are the ingredients. Can of diced tomatoes, kidney beans, diced tomatoes with green chilies, corn, and black beans. And of course, here's ground beef, and the main character of today's event, kimchi. And some seasoning, chili paste, garlic, and onion, and my trusty Instant Pot. Now, kimchi has been gaining some popularity among some people. I know it's kind of acquired taste, I guess. It does produce pretty strong odor. Whew. But, you know, a lot of people discovered it and some people enjoy it. It's supposed to have some antioxidants, and it's basically fermented cabbage. And so, let's see how this turns out. Stay tuned. All right, let's get started. By the way, do you like my Hello Kitty apron? It is mine. I didn't buy it, someone gave it to me. But I'm secure enough about my manhood, so there. So I set the Instant Pot to saute, where you put some olive oil in there. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some onion. I love onion. I don't think you can ever overdo onion. Although if you put too much, it becomes too liquidy. So kind of have to be careful about that. So here we go. I'm gonna put some onion. Oh, let's put the whole thing in. That was one onion. And then we're gonna stir a little bit. Next thing we're gonna put in some garlic. I probably should have chopped up a little bit finer, but was kind of hurry. So garlic. One nice thing about using Instant Pot is that you just need to use Instant Pot. You don't have to use anything else. Less dishwashing to do. Not that I have that much living by myself, but all right. So we're gonna wait until onion kind of becomes translucent and until we start smelling that garlic flavor. Oh, gonna have to do a little bit longer. All right. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put in, well, let's put in tomato paste. Let's make sure things are cooking. Yeah, I can smell the garlic. All right, I'm gonna put in tomato paste. And we're gonna let it cook a little bit. while it's doing that, we're gonna put in ground beef. I don't like to get my hand dirty, so I'm gonna wear a glove. Yeah. Alrighty. No salmonella in this household. There we go. Alrighty. Goes the garbage can. Alright, so we're gonna cook the beef with garlic, tomato paste, and onion. By the way, I feel like we're making culinary history. I do, really. We are making kimchi. Maybe first time on YouTube history. And I can't believe I'm doing cooking video either. I thought I was going to do videos about overlanding, foil driving, RVing. But then I came up with this brilliant idea last night as I was laying in bed. Couldn't sleep. Hey, what happens if you combine kimchi and chili? Because, you can tell I love eating. You can tell, right? And I love chili. And I've been having chili quite a bit lately. And so I thought, I want chili, but I'm going to try see if I could put some kind of variation of chili. So I thought, fusion, that's it, kimchi and chili. I'm maybe fast forwarding this part of the video because it's gonna get noisy. Chicken broth. Just getting it ready. Right, then I'm going to put some seasoning in here that I prepared. Ah, that smells good. All right. I'm going to shut this down for a second. So now we're going to put in some, I already drained these cans, black beans, kidney bean, just some diced onion, tomatoes, corn, and I'm going to stir it up again. feel like I forgot something. What did I forget? Oh yeah. Diced tomatoes and green chilies. Sometimes I feel like I put too much tomatoes, but that's okay. Alright, and saute a little bit longer. Alright, now I'm going to put a little bit of chicken broth. Not too much, just a little bit. Maybe half a cup. Oops. Maybe a little bit more. And then, sorry for the mess, we're gonna put in kimchi. I am curious as to how this is gonna turn out. Kimchi chili, doesn't exactly roll off your tongues, but so one of the ingredients that I have been putting in the past is cayenne pepper powder, but I replaced the cayenne pepper. I didn't put in any cayenne pepper this time. I feel like kimchi is gonna bring out that spicy taste. So there we go. All right, then we're gonna set it to, we're gonna cancel first. We're gonna do pressure cook. We're gonna pressure cook for 17 minutes on high. Make sure it's set. Alright, so pressure cook, 17 minutes, high. And we'll check back in 17 minutes and see how it turned out. Cross our fingers. Hopefully it'll turn out good. I think it turned out pretty good. Well, I'm gonna have to taste it to find out for sure. Okay, we're gonna add some cheese, sour cream, and nacho chips. See how it tastes. But first I'm gonna taste without cheese or sour cream first. All right, moment of truth. You know, I don't smell kimchi. It just smells just like a regular chili. Although I do see bits of kimchi in there mixed in, barely. Let me taste it. So there's a slight bit of a spiciness, little kick toward the end, because I didn't put any cayenne powder, but I think that spiciness is coming from kimchi. But mostly, if you were to serve this to somebody, and you didn't tell them that this is a kimchili, they probably couldn't tell. Besides a little bit of texture that I can. Because I know I put in kimchi in there, I cut the kimchi into very fine, chopped it really fine and put it in there, so I can still taste the feel the texture of kimchi in there. But so I feel like it's sweet and spicy at the same time. I don't know if that makes sense. But definitely kimchi is giving it a bit of a kick. You know what? I think I'm going to call this a success. Kimchi. Here we are. I'm going to put some cheese in there. I'm going to put some sour cream. And we're going to crush up some nacho chips. Bon appetit. Let's see how it goes. Here we go. Good nacho. I mean, good chili. Good chili indeed. You can hardly taste kimchi in there. So in this case, chili flavoring really came through over kimchi. Could be a good thing or could be a bad thing, but I could definitely taste a bit of spiciness and texture in this chili. I like it. Yeah, I don't think anybody's gonna be shocked. There's like a no overpowering kimchi flavor in this. Besides just spiciness a little bit. But you know, you should play around with the amount of kimchi. Maybe I should put in more kimchi in here. But play around and see how it turns out. And tell me how it goes in the comment section below. Well, thank you for sticking with me this far in this foley. I can't believe I'm making videos about cooking. Never imagined in my life. Stupid COVID. But anyways, maybe there's a silver lining. Instead of making a video about overlanding, camping, RVing, traveling the country, traveling overseas, here I'm making cooking video. Well, I'm still gonna enjoy the chili, and I'll say thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time. Until then, take care.